Now we have 5 questions, 1 mark question. Okay, since this is from the previous year question, 20 questions are there, but I have collected only 5 here. Remaining questions we will do in the next video. First question is, if x equal to ab power 3 and y equal to a cube power b, where a and b are prime numbers, then HCF of xy minus LCM of xy is equal to, what are these? So how we will do for the first question? X is ab cube and y is a cube b. So first part, x is ab cube and y is a cube b. So you have to find out HCF of xy minus LCM of xy. HCF of xy. So what is the find out? HCF of xy minus LCM of xy. So how you will do? First factorize a into b into b into b, and y as what is a into a, 3 times a into b. So for the HCF, what are the common factors? You can see from here. What are the common factors? A is common and b is common. Therefore HCF of x and y is a into b, that is ab. Okay, and for HCF, what is to be done? Do you know? This is HCF. For LCM, LCM is what? Product of highest power of all the prime factors. Okay, now what are the prime factors over here? You just, once again I am writing is a power 1 and b power 3. This is your a power 3 and b power 1. So highest power of a in both of these x and y numbers is a power 3, and highest power of b, which is available in both, is up to power 3. So this is your a cube and b cube is the LCM. So HCF of xy minus LCM of xy will be, so HCF of xy minus LCM of xy will be what? AB minus a cube b cube. This will give you AB common, 1 minus a square b square. You can further write it as a minus b, a plus b, 1 minus ab and 1 plus ab. So see whether it is there in the solution. Yes, it is there in your solution. D is the option. Okay, so you write D is the option. Now come to the second question. 1 plus root under 3 whole square minus 1 minus root under 3 whole square is a number. What are the options? So first simplify this expression. So expression is your question number 2. 1 plus root 3 whole square minus 1 minus root 3 whole square. So a square minus b square. And what is that? This is a plus this is b, a plus b, and this is a minus this is b. Okay, so root 3 here cancelled. Here you will be left with 2 here, and here 1 plus root 3 minus 1 plus root 3. So 1 cancelled. So you are left with 2 into 2 root 3. That is 4 root 3. Now 4 is a rational but root 3 is an irrational number. So product of rational and irrational numbers are irrational number. So it is an irrational number. So what is the option? You can see from here, check it. Irrational number, positive irrational number. Okay, number is positive as well. So simply positive. What is your answer? Positive irrational number. So option was C. So C was the correct option, isn't it? Now question number 3. The value of a for which ax square plus a equal to 0 has equal and positive roots. So first of all, we find for the equal roots, then we will decide about positive roots. For equal roots, you know, b square minus 4ac is 0. So third number question, expression was ax square plus x plus a equal to 0. Yes or no? Just once again, yes. So now see, for equal roots, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b square is what? 1 square minus 4. A is what? A. And c is what? A. It should be 0. So 1 minus 1 equal to 4a square. You can say 1 upon 4 equal to a square. Now a can be plus minus 1 by 2 equal to a. But you want the positive roots, okay? So when you will put 1 by 2 over here, see what are the roots. Now we will decide in case of positive roots, okay? So roots will be minus b plus minus root under d. What is d? This is your d, na? This is d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, you know, okay, by 2a. Now minus b, so minus 1 plus minus d is 0 here and here 2a, 2 into a. Now if I take positive 1 by 2, then what will be the answer? Minus 1, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so minus 1 is the root, okay? And if I take minus 1 plus minus 0 divided by 2 into minus 1 by 2, then what you will get? Plus 1. So what you want? Positive roots. So positive roots is possible when a is negative. So a will be minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. So a is the minus 1 by 2. Check it out. A is minus 1 by 2. So D is the correct option. Okay. So this way you have to decide D. Now come to the fourth question. Let us see. Distance of a point A from x-axis is 3 units. Which of the following cannot be coordinates of the point A? Now distance of a point A from x-axis is 3 units. So just imagine the situation. Fourth number, you have a coordinate system like this, okay? Now distance of a point from x-axis. From x-axis means it will be either this way or it will be either this way. Yes or no? This type of point you can have. So from x means yours, suppose it is a y coordinate, okay? So something x will be anything, but y can be like this, okay? Or x will be anything, but y can be like this, okay? Now You want that distance is how much? Question is 3 units. Distance is 3 units. So what you can see is equal to 3. Here also y is equal to minus 3 type of, but in both cases you have the distance is a scalar quantity, no negative positive sign there is. You have to just taking the magnitude only for the y. So y must be 3. So see where are the options given at y must be 3. So it is given 1, y is 3 here, minus 3 is here, 3 is here. Okay, cannot be the coordinates of point A here. Y coordinate is not a 3. This is not 3, neither 3 nor minus 3. So this is the option. Okay, so this D is the option. Okay, 3, 1. Here y is not 3, therefore its distance from x-axis is not 3. Its distance from x-axis is not 3. Okay, y coordinate can be plus minus 3, anything. Okay, you can say here also plus minus 3. Okay, this is the point for the question number 4. Okay, now come to the 5th number question. 5th part. The number of red ball in a bag is 10, more than number of black balls. If the probability of drawing a red ball at random from this bag is 3/5, then the total number of balls in this bag is how much? So drawing a red ball probability 3/5, number of red ball in a bag is 10 more than number of black balls. So just see for the 5th number of black balls is B, then red balls is 10 more than, so 10 plus B, so total balls 10 plus 2B. So probability of red balls is red 10 plus B upon 10 plus 2B, and according to the question it is given as 3/5. So cross multiply, 50 plus 5B is equal to 30 plus 6B. 50 minus 30, 20. 6B minus 5B is B. So B is the black balls. Okay, so total balls will be, total balls you have to find out, 10 plus 2B. 10 plus 2 into 20, that is 50 balls. Okay, so see where is the answer? 60 balls. Do you have the option over here? 60. Total number of balls in the bag is 60 balls. So B is the option. Okay, so in this way you have to do. You don't have to solve all these in a long way, but you have to just, to save the time, you have to do it in your, either in your mind or do it at a rough workplace. Okay, and just mark the answers. Thank you.